How to claim Bupa insurance online. So no matter what country you're from, you want to go to the official Bupa website. For me in the UK, it's bupa.co.uk. For you, it might be different. But once you're on there, click the top right hand corner where it says sign in. Go ahead and log in with your details that you know personally. Then you get to a page like this where it says your Bupa cover. Here you'll be able to see a section where it says start a claim. It could be a dental claim or it could be a health insurance claim, depending. It should be on this page. There it will say what you need. You need your receipt before you begin, to make sure you have a file of your receipt on your computer. Then click start my claim. It could be dental claim or health insurance, same thing. Then you'll see sections at the top there where you can put in your details for the claim, the treatment, the receipts, the payment, the contact and the declaration. So you have to go through each of those 6 steps there. Once you've uploaded everything and it's done, then you'll be able to receive your claim back for however long it will take for you. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.